Silver last week has seen a very good drop here, and as we have discussed last week, it failed to break above 2480 and has seen a sharper drop till towards 2320 levels. Now 2320 23 is a great support, and I will tell you on the daily charts, and I have told many times on my daily analysis that 23 is a great support. Now also, if you look at, yes, it has respected the bottom of the channel so far. So what does this mean? Is it going to reverse from here and continue with the bullish momentum, or we can again expect a drop on the downside for silver next week? Which position you should take in order to profit trading silver next week, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for next week. Do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. That's always a great motivation for me. And also press the bell icon, which helps you uh, keeping updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for silver, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. So twice a day I update the targets and analysis for silver. So do watch that also. Definitely it will help in your day trading decisions, and also you can remain updated with the market moves by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now first let's have a look at silver on the larger picture. You can see the triple bottom levels here at 18, then the rise of $6, retracement of $4, rise of $6, retracement of $4, and it is now concentrating or consolidating within this zone. Yes, this is still a bullish channel in which silver is trading in the long. Now let me show you the near term picture here. On the near term picture, you can find out this is precisely the median of this channel, and this is the bottom of this channel here. Now if you look at the complete movement of silver so far is engulfed between these three levels only: the lows of this channel, median and the top here. And the top for this now right now situated at, if it tries to reverse, it is right now about $8 levels, somewhere at around, you can say in next few weeks it is going to be $30 levels. But right now it is trying to trade bearish and consolidating within this zone. Now let's come to the near term charts. You can see these three red candles. However, the complete movement is engulfed between this one bullish candle. The prices failed to break below the lows of even this bullish candle itself. This suggests that it is still a retracement, not a reversal, not a continuation of this trend on the downside. And hence, you can see the lows beautifully aligning here. And that is why I say 23.20, $23 levels are going to be the next strongest support on the downside. In fact, I will say 2280. So in between 2280, 2320 is where the maximum support will lie for silver. Else, you can see it is trading in this bullish channel. It can continue, it can reverse from here. Now also another point to note here is, see, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen here, and hence this zone between 2340 to 2480 levels or 2460 levels is going to be a zone where one has to remain watchful, cautious and alert. In fact, till 25 on the upside and 23 on the downside. So these $2 levels are going to remain critical, crucial for silver to decide a direction. Above and below, definitely we can expect the bearishness or bullishness to continue accordingly. Now this is purely on the weekly charts. Also, if you look at the formation here, see, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and again if it continues on the upside, we can see it breaking the median of the channel, which is right now about $26 levels. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's come to the daily. See, on the daily charts, the breakout on silver was started here. Since then, strong bullish move was seen, and see now the retracement has brought it close to the almost breakout levels. This is a good sign that it has just touched these levels and bounced back. So this could be a potential reversal sign. And also if you look at, see, bearishness was increasing here, then you can see one red candle, but the bearishness getting diminished, and then this candle appeared where we have seen lower highs, lower lows, and the candle closed in green. So this could be potential reversal sign from here, from which silver might try to fly on the upside. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 2450, 2480 levels and $25 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Now if you look at silver here, divide into two half, you will observe, see, trading in this bullish channel, it has tried to breach it. Yes. Also, if you look at the formation there, see, divide into two, almost alike, almost alike, almost alike, and then this rise is seen. So yes, this could potentially lead to a rise from here, we have to wait for few sessions and then this breakout can be expected. So this is what we can see from the symmetrical formation here on the charts. And at the same time you can also see the pole there, the flag there, and this has already given a breakout and hence it can continue with this bullish momentum for a little. So for next week, yes, if you see trading about 2380, you can buy, expect 2420, 2440, 2480 levels as the next resistances. Any move about 25 will bring more bullishness there. Coming to the monthly, now look at monthly charts. See a very simple formation here. Few red candles, few green candles, 4 red, 5 red, 4 green, then 2 red, 2 green, then 2 red and 1 green. And see, this is could be the potentially second green candle which is in making here. Also, if you look at previous two candles, higher lows, higher highs. The highs of this channel are at around 25.50, $26 levels here. Yes, this candle has opened flat and we have seen bearishness continuing there. However, this is good that it has formed a tail now itself, and if it rises, it is going to give you very good bullish bottom on the upside. Hence, any rise above 24.80, 25 should be taken up seriously, and it is going to fly high above those levels. Now, also if you look at, see, silver is trading in this bullish channel, and this is increasingly bullish channel here. You have to be watchful there. It can definitely break out, and any move above 26 is where the bulls will take over and we may see 28 or plus levels. Also on the monthly charts, if you look at, see the pole there, see the flag there, it is already trading above this flag. It has already given a breakout. Hence the bullishness is still there. At the same time, on the downside, we must not forget that if silver trades below 23, 2280 levels, consider that there is much more bearishness below those levels. Then you have to look forward to $21 levels on the downside. But I still expect it to bounce back and recover. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators on the monthly charts. The price has converged till towards 20 months average and have recovered since then. The 20 months average is now sitting at around 2280, 23, which also makes it a very good support level. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped here. If you look at MACD, see MACD on silver, after almost 2 to 3 years, it has crossed over a few months back and it is trading in green and it is looking upwards. So yes, there is bullishness on the monthly charts as this crossover is happening after a long time. So it can continue with the upward momentum in the forthcoming months. RSI is almost flat. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly charts, yes, it has taken a support from the 2050 period moving average, which is right situated at around 23, 2370 and 2280. So this zone is completely very important. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is divergent and bearish on the weekly chart. This calls for a probable slighter drop here. However, remember, this is still at a comfortable zone and hence it can continue on the upside also. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at daily charts. See the moving averages of trading. First of all, prices were divergent from the moving average. Prices converged. In fact, it has traded below. Now the moving averages have started to converge, but these have not yet crossed over. These are still staying bullish, and a recovery or rise above 25 will make them diverge more, and it is going to fly high from here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and see first wave, second wave, and this could lead to the third wave. RSI has dropped here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you for next week so that you can trade profitably and comfortably. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you have, or rather I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. See, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify potential profitable trades and the right exits at the right time. So this course will definitely help you in all these concepts, equipping yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies such that you can trade profitably. So reach out to me via Telegram or email, which are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Now, considering this, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy here at my favorite 2380 levels. Beyond 2380, we are looking for 24, 2420, 2450, and this time it is going to hit $25 levels. Now till here it has got extremely strong resistance. Any move above 25 will lead to 25.50 and $26 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We are going to look at, in fact, $28 levels. But if it is not going to happen in 1 week, keep the positions patiently and it is going to yield greater results in the near future. Now, where to sell? This is also an equally important question for us to answer. You can sell here at 23.50, but remember, till 23.20 levels, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. 23.40 is a good support, 30 is a good support, and 20 is ultimately a good support. Below that, the bearishness might increase, and we are look forward to $23 levels, 22.50, 22, and then $21 levels in the near future. But right now, if you ask me, I will be still remaining bullish till the time it respects 2280 levels, and below 2280 is where the bears will take over. So this zone is very important, 2280, 2250, and then if it draws below, certainly you have to stay short, you have to eliminate the bullish bias, and definitely one should expect a crash below 22 levels. And hence take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.